1-minute summary: The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. In The Two Towers, the sequel to The Fellowship of the Ring, the Fellowship is scattered. Frodo and Sam, guided by Gollum, journey to Mordor to destroy the One Ring. They meet Faramir, Boromir's brother, in Ithilien, who grieves Boromir's death. Aragorn, Legolas, and Gimli pursue the orcs who kidnapped Merry and Pippin. They ally with King Theoden of Rohan to battle Saruman's forces at Helm's Deep. Gandalf returns with Eomer and the Riders, saving the day. Merry and Pippin escape, meeting Treebeard and rallying the Ents to attack Isengard. Frodo and Sam face new dangers, while Aragorn leads Rohan to victory. The battle against Sauron intensifies, setting the stage for the final showdown. Like and subscribe if you love the video and want to hear the next part of the story.